Oil traded bullish yesterday. Did not I tell you that it may rise, and be watchful of 91 levels? It has achieved precisely 91 and trying to trade with a drop there. And yes, also at the same time NG2 has achieved the highs out there, now trading with a slight drop. Now what is going to happen today, which position you should take in order to make profit, we will see with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. If you are committing this mistake by not subscribing this channel, definitely you are missing on the profits. So do subscribe, do like, comment and share also, and support the channel. First we'll look into US crude, followed with NG. Let's start the day. Now this is the hourly charts for US crude. You can find out this time it is trying to break out, and this is a breakout candle. So this is also very clear here. Only long entry if it trades above 90.5. Do not go long unless it is below 90.5 levels. This is very much clear, and in fact right now it is looking forward to achieve 89.5 levels. 89.5 and 6, this is going to be a support there, and in fact 88.8 levels. Let's have a more detailed look. Directional movement bullish, stochastic comfortable, neither bullish nor bearish. MACD is on the verge of a crossover, and this is a bearish cross. RSI is looking downwards. Likewise, if you see the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts too, see on the 2-hour charts, one thing you must observe, the pivot is right now close to around 90.2 levels. With that, it has seen a high, it has seen a low there. So yes, 90.2 levels you have to be watchful. Rather, I will say 90.5 is the only level beyond which you can stay long. But then you have to be cautious of 90.2. If it sustains above 90.2, we can expect bullishness and confirm entries above 90.5. Directional movement is bullish, stochastic looking downwards. MACD is bullish, willing to converge. RSI near to top, looking downwards, started to curve downwards. Look at the 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour charts, it is still trying to trade bullish, but this time it is trying to break out. So this 3-hour candle has in fact broke out of this channel. Now probably it may try to look at 89.5 and in fact 88.8 levels. These two levels are definitely going to be a good support. Below that 88.5 will come into picture. So only long entry, only buy entry is above 90.5. Till the time it trades below 90.5, do not think of going long there. Directional movement is bullish. Stochastic here on the 3-hour charts is overbought, now looking downwards. MACD is willing to converge here. RSI is near to top and near to overbought levels. Look at the 4-hour charts here. On the 4-hour charts, you can see that the bullishness is diminishing here. It was bullish and now it is diminishing. At the same time, one must observe that it is giving you lower highs there, and probably the next target zone is at 92, but at the same time it is trying to get the resistance at 91 itself. Let's watch out more in detail. Now if you look at this here, see this is the first red candle on the 4-hour chart after this reversal. So if you consider a confirmation of reversal is confirmed if it drops below 89.5. Once it drops below 89.5, you can further stay short for 88.8 and then 88, 87.5 levels will come into picture and it will enter into bearish zone. Directional movement is bullish, it is willing to converge. Stochastic is overbought. MACD is at high and it is divergent and bullish. Still RSI is looking downwards. And if you look at the daily charts, now look at the daily charts, precisely getting the resistance from the highs of this and which is almost at around, this is the 50 period moving average, going to give it a stronger resistance. I have told you yesterday also, watch out for 91 levels, and precisely it is retraced from 91 levels. Now also look at this, this is the second green candle after the double bottom out there, and probably if the third candle appears, because the new candle on this chart is yet to start and it is only carrying forward yesterday's candle, I will watchful of that. And if you see it trading beyond 90.5, go long. If you see it trading below 89.5, go short. But at the same time, look here, see below 89.5 how far it can drop. See, it has got very strong support at 89, or rather I'll say 88.8, and if it breaks below 88.8, you can expect that it is going to return towards 88 and then 87, in fact 86 levels can be seen, and we can see a good drop out there. Directional movement on the daily charts is bearish. Stochastic is at bottom looking upwards. MACD is in green. RSI 2 is looking upward. Considering this, yes, you can take a buy entry at 90.5. Beyond this, you can expect 91 as the very good resistance, and beyond 91, I will look forward for it to directly achieve 91.8 and 92 levels. Remember, this is the next strongest resistance. Beyond 92 is anyway, sky is the limit. It may try to achieve 93.2 and 94 levels. On the downside, yes, if you see it trading below 89.5, expect 88.8 levels to provide a very strong support, and if it draws below 88.8, my next target is towards 88.5 and 88 levels, very strong support. 87.5 the next support. Below that, we may see it dropping for 87 and 86 levels. So take your trades accordingly, trade with profits. Now let's have a look at NG. And yes, if you think that my efforts are definitely adding some meaning, you can join my Patreon, you can become a patron, and yes, the contribution is hardly anything, and yes, you can become a patron and support the channel. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description, or else you become a join my mentorship batch if you want to learn, or if you want to just trade as per the signal, join my VIP group. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Look at the hourly charts. On the hourly charts, it is slightly skewed downwards right now. Only buy entry is above 9.21. If you see it trading beyond 9.21, you can go long, then expect 9.25, 9.3, and then beyond that it will fly again. However, it appears we may see a little drop. If you see it dropping below 9.1, go short and then expect 9.05, very strong support, and then again 8.9 and 8.8 levels will come into picture. Remember, this level at 8.9 is a good support, and then 8.8, this is a strong support zone for NG here. Directional movement bearish. Stochastic is comfortable, neither overbought nor oversold. MACD is bearish. RSI 2 is looking downward. Likewise, on the 2-hour chart, this is breaking out, and yes, this is a breakout candle. I think it may continue with the bearish momentum. So rather, those who are still trying to trade, yes, you can stay short with the stop loss at 9.21, but just be cautious of 9.1, which is a good support, and then 9.05 and then 8.9 levels. These are the support levels which it may try to achieve. Directional movement is bullish. Stochastic comfortable. MACD bearish. RSI looking downwards, indicating little bearishness there. And on the 3-hour charts too, this is breaking out. Breakout indicates we may see a good bearish move, but remember, it is trading at the bottom of the Bollinger Bands, and hence you have to be watchful. But still, I will expect it to drop, and this time the drop could be sharp enough for it to take it below $9 levels. The next target is 8.9 and then 8.8. 8.8 is very strong support zone for NG now. Directional movement not indicative of anything. RSI trading, stochastic trading flat. MACD bearish, RSI looking downwards. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, likewise on the 4-hour charts, as I said, stay or go long only if you see it trading beyond 9.21 zone. Beyond 9.21, rather there is a possibility for it to get the support or resistance at 9.2122 zone. If it breaks beyond this, definitely a strong rise can be expected. My expectation that this is second green red candle, we can expect a third red candle which might take it further down. The target is towards $9 and 8.9 and 8.8 levels. Directional movement bullish. Stochastic is comfortable. MACD is bearish and it is divergent. RSI 2 is looking downwards. Now look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, yet again it tried to break past 9.6, 9.65 levels, failed to go beyond, failed to sustain, and now trading with a drop there. Remember, this is the second red candle, and this is yesterday's candle which is carrying forward till now. The next candle is yet to start, and as I said, once below 9.1, definitely it's a good short entry. Then you can expect $9 and then 8.9 and 8.8, 8.8 should get achieved. It is a very good support out there. On the upside, yes, see, you can go long above 9.2, 9.22 zone, but beyond 9.22 you can expect 9.3 as a good resistance. 9.4 is definitely a very good resistance. Directional movement is bullish, willing to converge. Stochastic is overbought. It must look downwards. It must go bearish from now. MACD is still bullish. RSI is near to top. Considering this, only long entry, only buy entry today for NG is above 9.2 levels, 9.22 rather I will say. Beyond that, you can expect it to rise for 9.3, 9.35, 9.4. 9.4 is a good resistance. Beyond that, it will fly for 9.5 and 9.6 levels. On the downside, go short or sell below 9.1 levels. Rather, one can stay short till the time it trades below 9.21 and then expect it to drop till towards $9 as my first target, 8.9 as second, and 8.8 as the next target. 8.8 may get achieved. Take your trades accordingly, trade accordingly, trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.